Hello, hello, hello everybody. This is Jen and I am here with an ASC. Oh, I'm blurry. I'm here with an ASC design team project and I'm sorry, an ASC design team package. So we just finished my 8x8 Curiouser and Curiouser collection album, and I have more albums I did with that one, and I will do tutorials on those and share videos, but between the projects I wanted to do my hauls because I've been a little naughty. I bought some things, so I have a few hauls. I bought in my design team package, I got these Mix 'em Up. These are beetle ladies, and they have little polymer ladybugs in black and red sequins. I got the Cupid Shuffle, which has the hearts in it in little letters. The Stars and Crafts, which have obviously little stars in them. I really like those. Bright and shiny. These, it's a Skelly World, and there's Jack Skellington, but they're pink, and then little pink flowers and little pink bats, which are so cute. Are these the bats? If these don't have the bat, no, these ones just have the bats in them, but we do have ones with pink or purple bats in them. And then these are the Bag O' Mush, and they're mushrooms, so I thought those were fun. We'll definitely be using those. I'll be putting those in with my Mix 'em Ups. And then this honeysuckle collection from Nature's Garden. I wasn't sure what it was, so I bought it because I was like, I've seen it. They're bright yellow sequins. So, like a translucent yellow. So I thought that would be, once I got it, I thought, well, that would be cool for my, all my bee collection stuff. So if you want a good base for the bee collections, honeysuckle sequins, so grab that. And then I got some different acetates. Rebecca from the design team did some acetates. Oh, I got more Mix 'em Ups. They were hiding. Let's do those real quick. Rebecca did some different acetates. These are called No Candy Corn, and they have obviously yellow, orange, white, and then brown Perels in there. So that's fun. And then the Daisy Buzz is the no bumblebees, but flowers, yellow and black. And then I have some bumblebee ones too. So more Mix 'em Up. Okay, so what I was saying was Rebecca from the design team, she did some different acetates in her cards, her shaker cards. So I got some different acetates. So these are like, I think they're ITD. They are heavy duty. These are thick acetate. So, and they have print on them. They come in a pack. Where's the package? Okay, they are not ITD. They are Stamperia. And this is this one. Clear Prints Stamperia Garden House Collection. So I thought, well, this would be neat for shakers if I want to do shakers with them, but also for if I wanted to do windows in my woody projects, my Mente woody projects. I believe the lantern is still available. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The Mente woodies, and these are only available on the website, asccraftsupplies.com, not the Etsy ASC supplies. Yeah, so head over to asccraftsupplies.com and get your woodies. But I thought that these acetates I could use for the windows. I haven't decided yet because I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with them. But there's that one. This is not a transparent but translucent. And there's the wood grain, which is kind of cool. This one has like architecture down at the bottom of it. This one is translucent with the words, and then this one has butterflies and flowers. So some of them, the translucent ones, wouldn't be so great for shaker cards because you wouldn't be able to see inside of them, but it's an option. Now I have options for acetate. And then the second collection you see is the Alice clear prints. And again, it's the heavy acetate. We have the door, which would be also neat in the in that little lantern. We have, this is one of the prints from the collection. We have Humpty Dumpty with Alice. The owl. They're very slippery. The owl. So those are the translucent ones, and then the transparent ones. We have the checkerboard with the different designs in every other square, which I love, and then the teapots. So different options just to give you, you know, a little bit different textures and such in your projects. And then I got the Crafter's Companion. Now these would be great for shakers or little treat boxes. And they have acetate on them, just so you know, like they're acetate, but they have the plastic over them. So there's this hollow, let me see, a hollow Happy Halloween. I have a black piece of paper. Let's see here, I got red though. So, hollow Happy Halloween. There's 3 of those in this 12-piece. It's called Trick or Treat from Crafter's Companion. They have the hollow skeletons, or skulls and bones. We have the hollow Trick or Treat. Those, and then my favorite, I think, is the hollow spiders and spider webs. So how fun will those be for treat bags or treat boxes or shaker cards or whatever you have? I do have some options there, and I'm going to play with them. We'll come back to that one. I bought some individual sheets of acetate. This is the music. It's called Crystal Clear Film. It's an ITD collection sheet. And then I got the script, also ITD collection. These are a bit thinner, so those are like what I'm used to as far as acetate goes. And then I also got some large stamp pockets. There's 50 of them here. This is Avery L Studios. So if you see these in the store, they don't stay long. Grab them. They are wonderful to store your stamp packs. I did not, your stamps and stencils and dies in, and I did not have the large version, so now I do. And then I got only two paper pads. I got the holographic edition of the Crafter's Companion. So I thought these would be cool to add layers to my cards. Look at that. Isn't that insane? It reminds me of like 90s roller skating. Butterflies. This is butterflies. Hearts. I love the hearts. And there's like a grid pattern on the hearts too. And diamonds. And snowflakes, which is fun. Look at the snowflakes. I love the fact that the camera picks that up so good. Can you imagine that on cards? So yeah, 24 pieces, 6 each of the 4 different designs that I just showed. Fun. It looks like one of those is stars. Let me see if I can find the stars again. Yep. Oh, maybe I missed that one. Oh, I thought it was dots because on the camera it looks very small, but they're actually stars. So those are fun. And then I had seen this in the shop and I didn't get it, but then I was like, you know what, why not? This is called Ruby Christmas. Find It Trading, which I don't know what it is. I've never seen it before, but yeah, it's a red, and it's it's got a strange finish. I want to it's almost out of focus, but not in a bad way. So I do love the snowflakes. But some of the prints, they kind of look out of focus, which I think is funny, but it also gives it an appearance of like a sheet of vellum, but it's not vellum at all. I don't know if you guys can see that and pick that up, but some of the prints are very, I love that snowflake. I like the, you know, the little grid patterns, the plaid. But yeah, that looks, it has like the feel of vellum, and then there's little birds and stuff in it too, which I thought were neat. Okay, so I have more haul videos coming, so don't don't despair. I was, like I said, I was bad. I was very bad. I got lots of things that I didn't need. So yeah, head on over to asccraftsupplies.com. ASC Supplies on Etsy. Use Scrapping Flash 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.